that's me. You're probably wondering how I got here. See, what happened was the traction control, which I thought was off, was not. So when I'm trying to do a sweet donut for the boys, I flipped my TRX. Flipped my TRX. Oh. Turns out my neck isn't messed up. I got a concussion. Arm got a little roughed up, but overall I'm okay. Bad news is my truck's not. It's totaled. But before I ruined my truck, I got some pretty sweet mods done. It was at King Shocks with a full suspension kit. My boy Alex at MOTOROSO installed the Alcon brakes. So don't go anywhere yet. We got a pretty sweet episode for you. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? We are in Garden Grove, California. I'm at the headquarters of King Shocks. They are the absolute best when it comes to off-road suspension. They're installing front and rear suspension on my TRX. Let's get it. Big boy here. Big boy. Thanks for my boys at King Shocks for hooking it up. And it's time to head on south to MOTOROSO. What's up, guys? We're here at MOTOROSO. This is my boy Alex. And as you guys can see, we have two giant brake kits here from Alcon, which is the perfect brake setup for me and the TRX. So you're the guy for the job, my man. We appreciate you, Alex.
I'm excited to put it on, man. Yeah, that truck is badass so far.
Yeah.
And these brakes are going to really help haul it down to a stop. And there's a lot to know about these from a technical standpoint. We made a separate video going through all the technical details of these. You can see those on our YouTube channel, but man, the rotor's actually the same size as the stock rotor on the TRX, but you're upgrading to this massive 6-piston caliper, which has double the pad surface area. So this thing's gonna really come down to a stop. And then we're also throwing 2,200 more lumens of light from Baja Designs on the 8-pillar.
It's gonna look like a UFO. It's gonna be flying through the night.
Yeah.
But it's important too, if you have a TRX, any other big time kind of performance brake brand, you usually got to upgrade a 20-inch tire. But with these, Alcon's perfect because these fit in the 18-inch tire, which comes with the TRX. So you don't have to, upgrade the wheels or downgrade. You can keep the stock wheels, or like I switched out the wheels, but still the stock 18.
And Alcon's really done a good job of like carving out a niche for themselves in this off-road racing segment by building brakes that almost always fit under that smaller off-road wheel. Because as you said, nobody wants to put a 20-inch wheel on a truck they're going to take down to Baja.
You don't want to be that guy. No. My boy Alex here is going to install it, and I'm going to sit by the side and be like, oh, yeah, that's right, dude. So it's going to be fun, man. I appreciate it, dude.
Absolutely.
Let's get started, man. We got a long day.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's see how this goes.
Get dirty.
Looks like we're all done here.
Yeah, you got another.
What do you think, man? As far as the install goes?
Easy install, pretty straightforward. If you want to see every single step of that, you can go to youtube.com/MOTOROSO for our channel, subscribe over there, and see the actual step-by-step install.
You guys should definitely do that. When it comes to installs, this guy is the best in the game. Don't come to me for installs because your tires are gonna fall off and it's not gonna be good. Go to Alex at MOTOROSO. Alex, appreciate it, brother. Thanks so much. Well, we made it. We're at Johnson Valley. We're in the middle of freaking nowhere, but this is where you come to put your truck to the freaking limits. We've done it all. You guys have seen it. We got the King shocks, KIBBETECH, Alcon brakes. We need to be able to stop. We got the overkill tuning going on there. We got the Innovate wheels, TOYO tires. Now it's time to take this Street Princess and get her dirty. Let's go. All right, guys, we changed locations. We're at the Silt Road here now. This is the money shot. So you notice this is finer than sand. It's like, it's so fine. So the issue with that is you can't stop. Once you get going, you gotta just pedal to the metal and just march through. Otherwise, I'm gonna get stuck and this will be a really sad video. So I'm just gonna blast through this thing. It should be an epic shot. We'll see.
Oh no.
Fuck. Well, folks, I got stuck. It's all fun and games to get stuck and you're in the middle of nowhere with no drinks, food, water. You could die out here. I don't know if this is gonna surprise a lot of you guys, but I'm not BJ Baldwin over here, okay? It's my first time out here. I decided to try and be cool, let all the dust clear, and then I'm gonna shoot out like a rocket for an epic shot. Problem is I stopped in the deepest part, and now I'm stuck. Like I got a lot to learn. Fuck. As bummed as I was, I thought we'd be able to get free pretty fast. I was wrong. This will be easy though. I've done it 100 times. The lifeline snapped. I don't think we have another strap. And I don't think we'll be able to push this out. Not ideal. It's like caked onto the chassis too. I was like picking at it. It's like an ice pick. My hands are frozen. I burnt my forearm in the exhaust. I'm not doing great. Seriously, what are we gonna do if this doesn't work? Now what are we gonna do? I didn't die out here. I don't know shit about trucks. My first time off-roading, I'll never be back. What a waste of time. What the hell are we gonna do now? Thank God our knight in shining armor came riding along and saved us. Wendy's now, baby, starving. When the first strap broke, I was like, we'll just start digging. Wait, what?
What's the lesson? What's the lesson from today?
Grow a ponytail and smoke cigarettes. Look at that guy. Sick, dude. Lifesaver. Lesson is don't stop when you're in silt sand. Don't try and get the hero shot. Don't stop, keep going. Off-road, you keep going, full send. First time, dude, first time. There's gonna be some feeling out periods. We're all starving now. All right, that sucked. We got our asses kicked and it's finally time to go home with our tail between our legs. I thought, you know what? Let's get the out of the desert. But you know what? One more cool shot. We're out here, why not? What's the worst that can happen?
Emergency call to the SOS service provided by the manufacturer. To cancel, press the SOS or cancel button. Starting SOS call.
Yep, I crashed my TRX. It's all fun and games and we had some fun with it. Here's the thing. Thank God I didn't get seriously hurt. Got a concussion, those suck. Definitely need another one, but it could be a whole lot worse. I've had every car in the world, exotic, everything. My favorite vehicle I've ever owned is that TRX. And the bottom line is, at 40, I realized I'm impatient. I have friends all over in the off-road world. Ryan at KIBBETECH offered to go with me. My boy Ramsey at King Shocks offered to go with me. BJ Baldwin, one of the best truck racers in the world, offered to take me. But I was impatient. They went, let's do it next week. I went, no, I need it now. And I went, and I ruined my truck. Because I'm not a professional, I have a lot to learn. And this sucks, man. All that work I put into it, all the companies, brands that jumped on board, it's all ruined. As I'm flipping, I remember thinking to myself, you got kids, man. I bring my son Tiger with me everywhere. I want him to learn about cars, trucks. I want him into, motorsports. So he's always with me. But this one time, his mom goes, nope, he has school, don't bring him. Boom. Thank God he didn't come. So I really messed up, man. And thank God my son wasn't with me. I don't know. I need a new hobby. I can't. Psych.